You dick. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. Wake your little friend up. Tell her to go home. Who is that anyway? Is this one of your new hookups? I can't even keep track of your whore carousel. Is that money, Jeff? She's an actual whore? You brought a prostitute into my house? Well, at least I see you're practicing safe sex. I'm with the condom still in the wrapper. Nice. Enjoy the chlamydia, Jeff. Wake her up. Get her out of here. Party's over. What are you sitting on? Oh no. What did you do? Oh no. Bad kitty. You killed a hooker? That's such a cliche. Well, I gotta know what happened. So you know what I have to do. I'm gonna have to do a human, kitty, regressive, empathic mind interface. Come here. No. You knew you had it coming when you killed a hooker. Come on. Need to know what happened. Wow. Wow.
Yeah. And so before I left his office, I'm all like, who are you calling a racist? I can't even be a racist. I'm part Cherokee. And I have Vampire Brooklyn on Blu-ray, so don't call me a racist, stupid Jew dentist. Hello. Hi, my eyes are up here. Just kidding, you can totally look, I'm a whore. It's fine. Anyway, maybe we should get this all started, because I have to pick up my sister's kid. He has Down syndrome, but he's really sweet. And I know I told you on the phone that it would be $200, and that would include everything but ass play. But that was kind of before I knew you were a cat. I'm gonna have to charge you $300, because I'm pretty sure that this is all pretty illegal, but fucking a cat is like extra illegal. Thank you. You're sweet. Whoa, easy. You are all paws. Slow down a little, Scott Baio. You have to wear a condom. No way I'm getting cat AIDS. Whoa. Wow, what is your problem, dick? Seriously, you have to wear a condom or this whole thing is gonna get called off. I'm not gonna worry about getting an STD from a fucking cat. And no way am I getting knocked up and having some like freaky like cat human babies with like people bodies and little kitten heads. Although I have to admit that would totally be cute. But totally messed up. And I'm not having a kid or a cat baby or whatever because that would totally screw up my life right now. I am 3 credits away from getting my associates from Valley College. And no way some asshole horny cat is gonna screw that up for me. You know what? No, I'm done. Forget about it. Keep your money. I'm out of here. No way that this condom would have fit you anyway. You have the smallest dick I have ever seen.
Well, she's right about your dick. It's really tiny. Oh, Jeff, what am I gonna do with you? Okay. But you're digging the hole this time.